don't think she wants to play, buddy. Henry's internal monologue is always like, "Are we having such a great time?" Yeah, I don't think that Valentina's having a great time. She wanted to take a nap. She needed her pre-bedtime snoozy, okay? Yeah, this is supposed to be downtime. Henry's like, downtime? Darling. Darling. Henry, mommy has a headache. Never change, Henry. He's silly. Did you find him? Oh, not a good stretch. Ooh, big stretch. Did you find your dad? Where is he? Did he make us coffee? You don't want to get up this morning? Oh, y'all so sleepy in the morning. Do you want to get up and get your dad? He got up without us. Come on, Sleepy. Just go find your dad. Where is he? Where is he? Come on, let's go find him. Come on. He got up early. Is he in his office? Little role reversal this morning. He's running to say good morning to you before going outside. Oh, he's so sleepy. Henry, you need to go potties, honey. You want to go outside? Oh, come on. Come on. He's like, okay, I'm pretty tired. Bless you. Valentina, you make me so happy. I love how much you love our patio. You're going to like it even more when I get some furniture. Oh, you don't look like you need furniture. I was going to get you a little kid lounger. What do you think? We'll see. I guess you don't want to nap anymore? You done with this? You done?